When we talk about Igbo tradition, Igbo style, 100%, we talk about e-money. You already know when it comes to rocking Igbo attire, let's give it to e-money. E-money is definitely in a league of his own. Check out e-money and his stunning wife. So beautiful a woman. This man knows how to represent the Igbo culture with grace and elegance, and he's done it again. Decked out in full traditional Igbo regalia, e-money and his lovely wife headed all the way from Lagos to Anambra State to attend a very, very special occasion. I can't help but drool over this outfit of his. It screams luxury, it screams Igbo tradition to the fullest. And the event, he attended the beautiful wedding of his senior brother, ABC Ojiako's daughter. Yes, ABC Ojiako is the owner of ABC Transport. We all know ABC Transport. This wasn't just a wedding, it was a show of its own. It was a grand reunion, a celebration of love, and a moment to embrace family and culture. So e-money says. Now let me tell you, this wedding was held earlier today at Anambra State, and it was nothing short of magical. From the vibrant attires, as you can see, to the warm family vibes, it was everything a traditional Igbo wedding should be. And e-money, his dancing step is just everything. His dancing step says it all. And guess what? E-money superstar brother Casey brought down the house with an electrifying performance that had everyone on their feet. The energy was so unmatched. It was a heartwarming moment to see e-money reconnecting with family and friends, celebrating love and honoring his roots. There's just something special about going back home, right? And soaking in all that love and joy. From Lagos to Anambra State, e-money fully showed us what it means to celebrate in Igbo style, tradition to the core, in Igbo culture and in unity. We absolutely love to see it at the Boy People TV. Stay tuned and enjoy this beautiful Igbo show.